here going around every day. So, could have just went in front of the camera. So every day you must watch this video. So, you can see everything in the universe. It's like you go into space and see like all the planets. We went on Google Earth and we saw our Earth what it looks like, and everybody knows what it looks like. It's blue and green. This is how Parsley, so.
Hello.
That's there. And you can see this little tiny tunnel. Wait, you can see this little tiny tunnel. And you know what? We have that shovel box still. It's right here, and Claire's just sitting on it. Okay. And here we go. We're just gonna have to set off in the universe. So, there's our grandma just sitting there. We got our mommy over there.
These are fake, Mom.
Get it.
Watch out for the Mega Monsters on Mario.